IBM Watson Product Review. IBM Watson is an artificial intelligence platform that has gained widespread attention and recognition for its ability to perform complex tasks such as natural language processing, image recognition, and data analysis. The platform has been used in a range of applications across industries, including healthcare, finance, and education. One of the key benefits of IBM Watson is its ability to understand natural language and process large amounts of unstructured data. This capability has made it a valuable tool for healthcare providers, who can use the platform to analyze patient data and provide personalized treatment recommendations. Additionally, the platform has been used in the finance industry to analyze financial data and provide insights into market trends and investment opportunities. Another benefit of IBM Watson is its ability to learn and adapt over time. The platform uses machine learning algorithms to analyze data and identify patterns, allowing it to continually improve its performance and accuracy. This makes it a valuable tool for businesses and organizations looking to gain insights and make data-driven decisions. IBM Watson also includes a range of tools and APIs that make it easy for developers and businesses to integrate the platform into their existing systems and applications. This allows for a high degree of customization and flexibility, making it possible to tailor the platform to meet the specific needs and requirements of different industries and use cases. However, there have been some criticisms of IBM Watson, particularly around issues related to bias and transparency. Some experts have raised concerns about the potential for bias in AI systems, particularly when it comes to decision-making in areas such as healthcare and finance. Additionally, some have criticized the lack of transparency in the platform's decision-making processes, which can make it difficult to understand how the platform arrived at a particular conclusion or recommendation. Another potential limitation of IBM Watson is its cost. The platform is one of the more expensive AI solutions on the market, which may make it less accessible for some businesses and organizations. Additionally, the platform requires a significant amount of computing power and infrastructure, which can further increase the overall cost of implementation and maintenance. In conclusion, IBM Watson is a powerful and innovative AI platform that offers a range of benefits for businesses and organizations across industries. Its ability to process natural language and analyze large amounts of unstructured data has made it a valuable tool for healthcare providers, finance professionals, and others looking to gain insights and make data-driven decisions. However, its potential for bias and lack of transparency, as well as its high cost, may be limitations for some users. Overall, IBM Watson remains a top contender in the AI market and a worthwhile investment for those looking for a comprehensive and customizable AI solution. Another potential benefit of IBM Watson is its ability to automate and streamline complex processes. The platform can be used to automate tasks such as data entry, analysis, and reporting, freeing up valuable time and resources for businesses and organizations. Additionally, the platform can be used to streamline workflows and improve efficiency, reducing costs and improving overall productivity. IBM Watson also includes a range of tools and features for data visualization and analysis. The platform can be used to create interactive dashboards and reports, allowing users to easily visualize and understand complex data sets. Additionally, the platform includes advanced analytics capabilities, such as predictive modeling and machine